So we have actually achieved all this, and now we are going to cover this today: controlling area settings, version, and controlling documents. So let's go. SPRO. Oh, gone. OKKP. Okay, new entries.
सर ये न्यू एंट्रीज थी.
Happy group. App 9. But our company code currency is 10. But we will keep controlling area currency 30. Group currency USD.
Sir, every time which currency we are using, every currency type.
Look, controlling area currency has to be different because a controlling area can have multiple company codes. We'll just see from here assignment of company code. So it will have a universal group currency because multiple company codes can be added to one controlling area. Okay, because we are using cross company code. So one universal group company currency, group currency will be used. So it can be any currency. 9. Cost center standard hierarchy will be HAP 9. Activate components, it will say hierarchy not made. Should we make it? Yes, you should make it. Okay, new entries 2024. Cost center active. Project sales order cost objects. Variances. Assignment of company codes. New company code HAP9. Save. Okay, next step is controlling area settings. Company code setting is in SC ledger. Okay. Okay, next is fin SC underscore ledger. Okay, leading ledger, our company code settings. App 9. Now we have Y2 30, which is coming from a controlling area, and local currency, which is company code currency. Company code currency can be different from controlling area, but this is universal because it is controlling many company codes. Okay, version. Controlling general controlling organization. Maintain controlling area. We have already done this. Slash o OKKS. App 9. Okay. Maintain versions. Now, these versions basically control your plan and actual values. Plan is what you actually plan, forecasting. Now, there is a forecast, good forecast, bad forecast, best forecast. So for best, we'll have number ranges for that, for worse forecast, for better forecast, for normal forecast. So this is plan and actual. It will capture plan actual values in CO, plan and actual of material costing, product costing, and the variances also of production orders. Okay, I hope you get the idea. If you don't get it, no worries. Settings for each fiscal year, integrated planning for all years. Okay, save. LP01, this is by default. These are default, just default practice. You just have to follow it blindly. That's it. This is how it works in SAP. Release, it's finished. Okay. SPRO, controlling, general controlling. Maintain versions. We have already maintained this. Define ledger for CO version. Next important step. New entries, HAP 9, version 0. This is for plan actual. So if you want for best forecasting or best case forecasting, normal case forecasting, worst case forecasting, then you can have 90 or like 800 for best forecast, 808 for normal, and worst case is 888. Okay, so that's how you can plan it. Okay, and for planning, you can planning actually you plan for the material production. 0L is the ledger. Yes. Okay, happy group plan actual version. I can add more versions as well, but it will take values from 0 main ledger, 0L ledger. So that is the main ledger, and there is only one leading ledger. Okay, next is tank, app 9, intervals. There are no intervals, change groups. Now what we are doing, we are creating a group, app 9. 09 and app 9 CO docs number range. Save. Now, whenever CO documents will be generated, whether it is cost center, material ledger, valuation, or product costing, it will get a number from every document will get a number from this range that we have made
So
over
can
here.
you can remember this code number
Which code?
you are typing in the previous page?
Just a second. Let me assign this first. Assign element to group. HAP 9. We don't have to remember this because it is automatic. We're just doing it in the background. So whenever a CO document is generated, it will get a number from here. System will auto-generate it. So we just assign it. Okay. So any costing postings from FI, like cost center, will be assigned from here. Okay, next step. Mapping variants. Okay. SPRO. Financial accounting. Ledgers. Integration. Define document type variants for business transaction. Okay, document types of controlling. So any, this is CO posting, it will record GL account entries and secondary cost as well. And document type mapping, this basically is now standard what transactions of CO will be are allowed for us. So these are the transaction codes, okay, from CO, and this will be governed by this one. And we have to map this, check, and default values posting and controlling. Whenever we post it, it will come through HAP9 valid from 0, 1, default ledger group 0L. So this will be governing this one, and this has the all the transactions of CO save for this company code. Okay. Okay. Next is mapping variance numbering range document type. Okay. Numbering range. Type, where is that? Big range. Controlling. Controlling. Organization. We've already done the numbering range for document type CO. Okay, ledger version is also run. Profit center accounting. Okay, next is profit center.
These are structures are also available in every type of this front account.
Sorry.
सर ये जो मैं इसी वर्डिंग में करना चाह रहा था, ये जो स्ट्रक्चर आपने बताए हैं यहाँ
Maintain controlling area settings in profit center accounting. Standard hierarchy is HAP9. Currency will be 20 USD. Legal valuation from year active indicator, and save. Okay, dummy profit center, we need that. That's the next step. Master data, profit center, dummy profit center, dummy HAP9, dummy. Okay. HAP9, dummy. HAP9, enter. Dummy doesn't require segment. Segment is your business vertical. Okay. Now, next step is dummy actual data transfer. Okay. Actual data transfer, basic settings, controlling direct postings, central control parameters for actual data, new entries, 2024, line items, online transfer, save. Plan versions, maintain plan versions. Zero, profit center accounting, new entries, 2024, online transfer, version is not locked, exchange rate type P, value date, no value date, and save. So we're plan versions ranges for local docs. Ranges for local docs. We'll define that. Activate direct postings, controlling area settings, basic settings, actual posting. I guess not here. So let's just. No, we don't need that. Okay, fine. They're done. We are done for today.